Today we're going to take a little bit more of a look at estimation and how we use estimation to help us solve problems. So what estimation is taking a math problem, an addition problem, and a subtraction problem, multiplication problem, division problem, and guessing almost. You're getting your answer to a nice round number. Remember, our round numbers end in 0. So if your number does not end in 0, it's not a round number. But we take these numbers, we find the rounded number, and then we get an answer. Hopefully that answer is within 10 numbers of our actual answer, because if we're rounding to the tens place, we want our number to be within 10. So what we need to remember about rounding, let's say we've got the number 46 and we're rounding to the tens place. That means our ones place is going to end in 0. We just don't know if our tens place is going to stay a 4 or round up to a 5. So what we need to think about is our hundreds chart, which we have over here. You have a hundreds chart at the back of your math journal that you can use to help you. What you need to think about is 46 is right here on our numbers chart. We're trying to find a round number. Well, so 46 falls in between two round numbers, 40 and 50. Our goal is to find out which one is closer to 46. Which steps? Well, if I go backwards, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to get to 40. If I go forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only 4 steps to get to 50. So I'm going to take this 4 and I'm going to round it to 50. So rounding is saying how many steps it takes to get to the nearest answer that ends in a 0. And you want the closest nearest answer. So what estimation is? Because estimation is different than rounding. Rounding is just one number. Estimation is a problem. Let's say I have 32 plus 67. And I want to round and estimate these numbers. So what I'm going to do is on my hundreds chart, I'm going to find 32. It's right here. I need to think, is 32 closer to 30 or 40? If I do my counts, 30 is 1, 2 away. 40 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers away. So I am going to round 32 to 30. It's a lot closer. 67 is right here. It is between 60 and 70. Well, to go back to 60, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. But to 70, it's only 1, 2, 3. So 67 would round to 70. Now all I've done is rounding. I have not estimated yet because I have not solved the problem. Now I need to solve my rounded numbers. 0 ones plus 0 ones is 0 ones. 7 tens plus 3 tens is 10 tens. So my estimated answer is 100. Well, now I go back and solve my problem. 7 ones plus 2 ones is 9 ones. 6 tens plus 3 tens is 9 tens, 99. My real answer is one number off of my estimated answer. That means this problem is probably correct. If I was to get an answer, and let's say I said, 6 tens plus 3 tens is 8 tens. 89 and 100 are greater than 10 numbers different. They are 11. That means either this problem or this problem I did incorrectly and need to go back and check my work. We'll do one more quickly together, and then I'll have you do some practice on your own. Again, use your numbers chart. If you have the opportunity to use a hundreds chart, do it. If you don't want to use a numbers chart, just remember, if your number is 5 or more, you're going to round up. If it's 4 or less, you're going to round down. Let's say I had the number 18 and 25. On my numbers chart, 18's right here. It's in between 20 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers to get to 10. 2 to get to 20. 18 rounds to 20. 25 is in the middle. It's in between 20 and 30. Now if I counted steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 either way. But we never like to really round down. We always want to be moving forward. So if it's halfway, we move it forward. That rounds to 30. We solve. 0 ones plus 0 ones is 0 ones. 3 tens plus 2 tens is 5 tens. 8 plus 5 is 13. Put down 3. Carry a 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1. 2 tens plus 1 10 plus 1 10 is 43. Now 43 and 50 look farther apart. Here's 43. Here's 50. But guess what? It's within that 10 number. So today we're going to do some practice with this, and we're going to get a little bit better at using estimation to check our answers.